India versus Pakistan continues to be the most eagerly awaited contest in the world of cricket, with both nations coming to a virtual standstill when the two sides take the field against each other. Two neighboring countries divided over the border disputes but united by a shared passion for the game called cricket. Due to a number of historical and political events, relations between the two countries have been complicated and largely hostile. The violent partition of the British India in 1947, which sparked the Kashmir conflict, and the numerous military conflicts between the two countries have defined the relations between these two neighboring countries. In the backdrop of this unfolding drama, we'll take a look at three such cricketers who have had a distinguished record of representing both India and Pakistan. India-Pakistan cricketing rivalry started in 1952 after the Pakistan cricket team acquired Test status. Quite ironically, Pakistan's debut series was against the country from which they broke free, India. That series is remembered for the fact that all three Indians who at some point went on to play for Pakistan were involved in that contest. While Amir Elahi and Abdul Hafiz Kardar played for Pakistan, Gul Mohammad featured in the Indian 11. Elegant left-handed batsman Abdul Hafiz Kardar became the first cricketer to captain Pakistan in Test matches. Kardar previously played for undivided India as Abdul Hafiz. He burst into the scenes with Test matches in England in 1946. While he failed to score 50 even once in the 5 innings that he got, he scored a dodged 43 in his debut game at Lord's, facing a fire-spitting Sir Alec Bedser. Post-independence, he moved to Pakistan and added the family name Kardar to his name. In the 23 Test matches that he played and captained Pakistan in, he led his team to victory against the all Test playing nations of that era. The quintessential skipper Kardar's international career was brought to a close in 1957 in the Caribbean Tour, where history will remember him as one of the few of his time to have chosen to play with a broken finger. Amir Elahi, the leg break bowler who played under the captaincy of Kardar in that series, made his Test debut for India in a tour to Australia in 1947 and went on to play 5 more Test matches. All those 5 Tests were played donning the Pakistani jersey. He was the recipient of Pakistan's first ever Test cap. While Elahi's international career was too short to be judged on numbers alone, he produced sparkling results in first-class cricket. In the 119 first-class matches he played, he picked up 506 wickets at 25 apiece. He played in Ranji Trophy for Baroda. Elahi is also one of the 20 oldest cricketers to have played in international cricket. He played his last Test match at the age of 44. Another elegant left-handed batsman who was part of that historic series was Gul Mohammad. Though he played in that series for India, he later shifted his allegiance to Pakistan after settling their post-independence. In 1956, at Karachi, he became only the 3rd cricketer to represent both India and Pakistan in cricket match. That game, which Pakistan won by 9 wickets, also turned out to be his final Test match, as Gul never played international cricket again. Gul Mohammad was a Ranji superstar known for his outstanding fielding abilities. He made his Test debut for India in 1946 and subsequently went on to play 8 Test matches for India, including 2 against his future teammates and 5 against Don Bradman's Australia in 1947-48. India versus Pakistan will remain as the epitome of cricketing rivalry, and these 3 distinguished gentlemen will always be remembered for contributing to this everlasting contest. A big thank you for watching our video. We hope you liked our content. If you have liked our content, kindly subscribe to our channel, and yes, please share it also. Thank you once again.